Welcome to Anta Vlogs. Today I am in Mall of Emirates. It is the second biggest mall in Dubai and one of the most crowded places in Dubai. First is Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall, there is the world's biggest aquarium and there are some limited edition shops. So don't forget to subscribe my channel because next video will be Dubai Mall. Let's go. If you visit Canada, you will find snow. If you visit Switzerland, you will find snow. But in Dubai also you will find snow. Can you believe? It's only in Ski Dubai. Have a look. Right, now I came to first floor. Look, first floor. This area is only dedicated. This area is all shops luxury. You will find Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Prada, and Dior. All. Let me show you. Now I am beside me. There is Louis Vuitton shop. You will find Louis Vuitton. They're super expensive. Actually, I'm not going because it's useless. If I go there, I will not buy anything. That's why. Then second you will find there is Dior over there, and that brand I don't know even I don't know what brand. I saw over there is Hermes shop and Gucci is over there. Now I came to luxury collection. This all fashion is all luxury. You will find luxury collection. It's super expensive because I think because we can't purchase, it's better you will find Polo, Chanel over there. There is. If you are in tourists, you can buy a lot of Italian products, France product. I'll show you one more floor. Let's go. If you are coming to Mall of Emirates, don't forget to come carry for because you will get each and every household items in good price. Like you can get cycles, or if you need for water sport. and you will get nice teddy bear. This is nice teddy bear, and here also nice teddy bear. This is the one. So today we are done. We spent some Jordans and H&M. Especially I want to thank Pasindu. Say hi Pasindu, because he spent whole day with me. Keep on touch. Please subscribe my channel and vlogs, because next video will be the Dubai Mall. I hope you enjoy my video. Ciao.